What's up, y'all? This Rosa back with another video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Click the bell to be notified when I drop the video. Today we are going to be doing an unboxing. I told y'all I had a surprise for you guys. But like I said, like, share, and subscribe. Click that bell to be notified. And yesterday, y'all, oh my God, I got my community tab yesterday. But I didn't get no email. So I happened to go on my page and I seen the community tab sitting right there next to the playlist and all that. I was so happy. I can't go live yet, so I don't know if I gotta wait or not. But let's get to this unboxing. So happy Wednesday, y'all. Happy hump day. So we gonna open this package that I got today. And Empire was good last night. Ooh, let's see what we got in the box, y'all. Ooh. It's just been something I've been wanting really, really bad. It's just something to do my videos. So I traded myself. So they put it in nice and wrapped, bubble wrap or whatever you want to call it. So let's see. Ooh, they got a nice package. So I got a digital camera, y'all. It is some like vlogging for YouTube, you know. So I don't have to keep using my phone. Hit that bell, y'all. I need 200 likes for this video. It just came this morning. You get instructions. Charging. I don't know what that was. Get the charger right here. Battery. Charger. And, ooh, look, y'all. This the camera. This is a vlogging camera. A digital camera. So we're gonna open it up. They put it in here nice and neat. Amazon. Ooh. See? Camera, you know. It flips. Ooh, y'all see this camera? We're gonna put the battery and stuff in. Camera, y'all. Front. Get the charger stuff out. I don't know what this is. This video ain't gonna be too long, y'all. I guess this is the, I don't know what that is. Strap. Open the, charger. I just woke up, but I'm like, let me go see if my package outside because I don't want nobody stealing my package. And you know how people be stealing packages and stuff. This is the charger. They give you a battery. Let's see where the battery goes in at. I don't even know where the battery goes. Battery. Let's down and say hey to people. What up, because you ain't got no shirt on. I'm trying to open this. bear with me. I hate when I ain't got no nails. How's y'all Wednesday going? I'm trying to open it. What, you know, right there, like where the battery go. This the other part, the charger part. Charge it up. So they didn't send me no email for my community tab, and I'm trying to put this battery in here, y'all. They did send me my email for the community tab. I just happened to go on my channel and saw that it was on there. So I was like, let me write a post. Why is this not open? It's so hard to open. I don't want this video to be too long. Okay? So I'm having trouble, y'all. Open up. Well, I can't get it open, y'all. So this is the camera again. That's the front side. And then this the lens and all that. It's a vlogging camera for YouTube. And it comes with the camera, a strap, the battery, and then y'all see the chargers. And then it comes with instructions on how to do everything. I wanted to put it on here. I probably had to have Donovan open it for me. I'm trying to put this battery in here. There you go. So I got it open. Put the battery in. Got the battery in, y'all. Let's charge it up. Where's it go? Charge it go. Is it still recording? Turn it on. Now where do you plug it up at? Huh? bear with me, y'all, because this is my first time even figuring stuff out, purchasing a camera. But where I don't know where the charger goes. But this is it, the camera. I got the battery in. It's a digital. I'm gonna play with it some more. This how you open it up. I don't see where you charge it at. Then the strap going in. I don't know how you put the strap on. I will figure all this out later. I don't even know where to, I guess because it's dead. But this is y'all. Y'all see the camera? I'll do it on this. It's so cute. Yeah, that's the front. This the back of it. I got it from Amazon. It was on sale. I'm so excited, y'all. Can't wait to start doing videos with my little camera. And I gotta figure out where you charge it at. Plug it up yet. I don't see it. But yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Click the bell to be notified when I drop the video. So I hope you're having a marvelous Wednesday. I just wanted to do the unboxing with you guys. And until then, your girl out. Peace out. Okay. Bye, y'all.